Welcome to the Department of Environmental Quality Interactive Map. This new DEQ Interactive Map application was designed to work on Windows and Apple desktops and any smart iOS and Android mobile device down to a tablet size. The following browsers are supported: Chrome, Internet Explorer 9 and above, Firefox, and Safari 8 and above. When you first start the interactive map, you will be presented with a map of the state of Utah. On the top right of the map are 3 links. The first, Training Videos, is where map tutorials will be located. The second link is the map disclaimer, and the third link is a sign-in option to access sensitive drinking water protection zones. If you are interested in viewing this sensitive information, you will sign in here. The map controls are located on the left of the map. To zoom in on the map, click on the plus sign. You can also use the scroll button on a mouse if you have one. And to zoom out, click on the minus sign. The next map control button is the Map Reference Layers button. Click here to select your layers of interest. You can see that 3 of the layers have a question mark next to them that you can hover over to view a legend for that layer. Once you select your layers, click on the drop-down arrow under the base map for your map type. To close any of the map control menus, click on the control button again, or click on the X at the top right of the window. Continuing down through the map controls are the measure tools. Select the polygon option to measure an area, select the line option to measure a distance, and select a point for a specific location. To change measurement units, select a unit from the drop-down arrow next to each measurement type. The final map control button is the print option. The map search options are located on the right of the map. Clicking on Select Query Layers allows access to the division program layers. If you have used the previous interactive map, you will notice some new query layers. The first division is drinking water. Irrigated crop consumptive use zones is a new layer in drinking water. Notice that several drinking water programs are followed by a lock icon. To access these query layers, you will first need to sign in using the link at the top right of the map. The next division is water quality. All water quality layers are new here. Air quality is the next division. All layers are new here with the exception of large industrial source emissions. Environmental response and remediation is next. New layers here are environmental incidents and water rights points of diversion. The last option is solid and hazardous waste. The 2 previous interactive map layers here have been combined into one layer. Notice each program layer has a question mark button next to it that you can hover over for a quick overview of that program, or you can click on the question mark to be connected to that program's web page. Also, several program query layers have a filter option that you can click on, allowing you to narrow down a search to very specific details. Continuing down through the map search options, you will see the Define Search Criteria button. Once you have selected your query layers, you will click here to select your search type. The drop-down arrow allows you to search by address or city, or you can do a county or statewide search. You can also search by site name, identification number if one exists, or you can use a shape. The shape option allows you to search an area by drawing a polygon, selecting a point, or drawing a line. If you are conducting a search using a point or a line, you must select a buffer distance. Here is a practice example. First, click Select Query Layers, then choose Environmental Response and Remediation. Click the box next to underground storage tanks, and then we will define our search criteria. Our search type will be city, and type in the city of Vernal. Then click search. As you can see, there are many underground storage tank facilities in the city of Vernal. A grid will appear under the map showing the search results. Click on underground storage tanks to view the details of the facilities. To hide the results grid, click on Hide Grid, and to view it again, click on Show Grid. Now select the third facility down, Westside 66, by clicking on the box next to it. Here you will view the site attributes. Click on the button under Attributes to view the site's related records, including underground storage tank information and leaking underground storage tank information. Under Leaking Underground Storage Tank Information, scroll to the right to view an info button that you can click on that will take you to a summary of that site's data. Following the Related Records option is a Links option that allows you access to scanned site documents. You can fill out a grandma request and then access any additional information. By clicking on the dot, you can select a specific site to view that site's information. And if you click on Zoom to Feature, the map will center on your site. Select Back to Results to show the original search grid. Once you have completed your search, you can download your results in several formats from the drop-down box below Download Search Results. By clicking on the Process Download button, you can download your search results, but be patient because this can take a while to process. You will see an animated daisy in the left of the map as your download process is being requested. When you are ready to perform another search, click the Clear Search button. The map will remember your previous selections until you click this Clear Search option.